Video number 4. How your business can get the most out of YouTube. YouTube has an awesome set of marketing tools that almost no other platform may offer to you. What we are going to show you in videos 4 through 10 is YouTube Channel, YouTube Creator Studio, YouTube Upload, YouTube Analytics, YouTube Editor, YouTube SEO, and YouTube Ads. YouTube Channel. A YouTube channel is simply the homepage for a YouTube account. It shows the account name, the account type, the public videos you've uploaded, and any user information you've entered. The process is really simple. First of all, go directly to www.youtube.com/account. When creating a YouTube channel for the first time, look in the Additional Features section, find the Create a New Channel tab, and click on it. Your user features will be displayed however you have them set at the moment. You'll see your name and picture from your Google profile, and also the words Create a New YouTube Channel for your public videos and playlists. By clicking the OK button, you'll be sent to your own brand new channel. For creating a second channel, you will find it just as easy as creating your first channel. Select a name for your channel. As with the previous channel, choose a name characteristic to the subject you are dealing with, a name which people will relate with your product or your company. You must select a category for the video, whether it's a product or brand, company, institution, organization, arts, entertainment, or sports, or other. It's necessary to select the I agree to the page's terms tab in order to move on. When you're all set, click on the Done tab, and the new channel will be created. Once you create a new channel, you may upload videos to your channel, whether public or private, and comment on videos using your channel name. Moreover, your new channel comes with a Google Plus page. When you have a Google Plus account and want to create a channel or reactivate an inactive channel linked to your account, you need to go to your YouTube account and click in the Create Channel tab in the Google Plus pages. The following info will pop up. Create a channel for your Google Plus selected page. As you continue to clicking the OK button, the new channel will automatically be linked to your Google Plus account. This means that your page and channel will display the same name and photo on both your YouTube and Google Plus accounts. You may verify this as you continue setting all the remaining features in your channel. Even though your channel icon is linked to your Google Plus account, edits on Google Plus may take a few minutes to show on your channel. You may also upload a photo to be your representative image. Before posting your new picture, you should add a comment and also set the properties as to whether or not you'd like to disable comments and reshare options. There's also the choice of adding art as a backdrop. Just select the Add Channel Art tab, choose among uploading a photo, use a picture you had previously uploaded, or picking one from the gallery. After choosing from among any of the options just mentioned, the page shows different looks according to the device your audience is using. It will look a bit different across devices. Besides your channel name and pics, your channel's main page will display a tab with tips. I strongly recommend to check them out. They might be really helpful, especially in continuing setting up your page. From your main page, you will be able to see your videos, playlists, discussions, and more. You may also share your thoughts to your audience and spot recent activities. Subscriptions will be shown on the left side of your main page in the Add Channels tab. To get started, you only need to browse some channels there. By clicking here, you will see the best of YouTube with the ability to search. Here you may see the most popular videos in YouTube at the moment. Options may include music, sports, gaming, news, and 360 video. Each will display a subscribe tab next to it. This page will display several recommended channels related to music, comedy, film and entertainment, gaming, beauty and fashion, automotive, animation, sports, tech, cooking and health, news and politics, and more. At the bottom of the page, you will have the option of selecting a language and also a country for your YouTube page. English is the regularly chosen language. It is acknowledged as universal, but you may use another instead for your campaign. You may also set other features starting from the main page of your channel. You should go to the Edit Links tab in the upper right corner of your Art tab. Here you may write a channel description. Also, you should set other settings, such as writing an email for business inquiries and choosing a country for your channel. Links can be added to your channel in this section. It's optional to choose whether these links overlay a certain number of custom links on channel art. For adding the link, you must write a title, up to 30 characters maximum, and the URL. Always remember, using words closely related to your product when writing titles and descriptions.